once again. It's Dave, HVAC guy. I'm out of Fostoria, Ohio. But then we're in Tiffin, Ohio today. And I'm going to be showing you a little bit about, giving you a brief explanation. This is a tube, a radiant heater tube system that I'm putting in. So, look right here, you see this, what comes in the box. I've had this open before. Comes with a 100,000 BTU radiant heater system. Runs on 110 volts. This is your blower motor intake. If you want to hook it up to fresh air, you can hook it up to an intake there. I've installed one of these already. This comes with a new gas stop and it's like a 3-foot half-inch line. But yeah, I just took one down. There's the other one I installed yesterday. You gotta have some tall ladders. Get some really tall ladders. You're gonna need, you see, tall footer. So you gotta get up there. You have some chains coming off the ceiling. There's the directions tell you gotta have so many inches off the ceiling. I think it's like 24 minimum, 16 or 24.